In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your video upside down in Shotcut. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So if you want to turn this video so that it is upside down, there are two ways we can use to do so. Now in the first method, just go to filters and then look for size, position and rotate, and this is the option. Here it is. So if you tap on this, we have here an option called rotate. You can turn this video upside down by just rotating it manually. So if I go ahead, you can either do it forward or backward. So just adjust it, move it slowly by slowly until it fits. And here we go. But if that doesn't fit well, you can just go ahead and change this figure from 0 to 180. Sorry. If I change it to 180, you can see you'll easily turn the video upside down. So that is the manual process to turn your video upside down. Now we have another method that you can use to do the same. And still that is under filters. If you go to filters, search for flip. So if I go ahead and tap on flip, now you can see it has been flipped upside down. So by using any of the two methods, you'll be able to flip your video in Shotcut. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.